Alright, so we're here with a brand new Phantom Flash. So I have this rubber band. I'm going to stretch it between my fingers like this, so it's stretched across the motor stick. I can slide the wing in. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rubber band, string this across here, maybe. I thought I was going to string this across here. There we go. I'm just doubling up this rubber motor. This is a known good rubber motor from Hope's airplane. And so we're checking the CG. We want it to be right around 50% cord. So we're going to give it a test glide. And that looks about right. Not much left turn, but that's okay for me. Now, the temptation with ROG models is to wind it up and then put it on the ground. You don't want to do that. You want to hand launch the first few flights so that you can determine that the airplane is flying correctly. We're going to crank in enough turns to verify that the airplane, or to get the airplane going a little bit. So this is about 650 turns. See you, Bill. So rubber motor is loaded on. Remember, we've already got our CG set. And away it goes. That's really the most effortless I've seen with one of these. It does need to turn a little bit tighter. And it's also climbing too fast because it's going to dead stick. This airplane weighs 2.7 grams as shown in the video that we did on it. And so it's one of the lighter Phantom Flashes out there. And the turn is definitely going away as it dead sticks. Wow. Alright, so we saw some stalling at the end, and that's caused by bunching the rubber motor back here as it dead sticks. So we're going to take the rubber motor off. And it's definitely wrapped around things a little bit, which is to be expected when you dead stick. Now some might ask, why don't you braid the rubber motor? Well, this is an indoor airplane, and we are trimming the airplane to stay under power at all times. So since this is a known good size of rubber for a Phantom Flash, what we're going to do is we're going to twist the propeller blades a little bit. And we're going to do that to raise the propeller pitch. And since this one's very stable, raising the propeller pitch won't destabilize it too much. And that's going to slow down the prop, and that way we won't run out of turns. Now the other thing is that the airplane's not turning really well, so we're gonna add in, oop, I did that on camera. That is spectacular. We're already adding weight to this airplane because of my colossal screw up. And it's cold, so the glue is congealed. Super congealed. Like, this is almost unusable congealed. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it. That's hilarious. don't want to think how much weight that added. But now you can see the stab is tilted a little bit. I'm also going to bend in just a little bit of left rudder there. Alright, and we'll be back when it's wound. Caleb's. Alright, so we have a little under 800 winds. Now normally with one of these we're dealing with diving and whatnot, so I'm having to put a shim under the leading edge. This one just came out right. So we're going to go ahead and try an ROG. Oops.
Say that one more time.
I feel like it was trying to fly kind of flat on that one, which concerns me a little. So just have to monitor that. See if we launch from here if it's okay. We're still going very, very flat. So I'm going to slide the wing back just a little bit here. And then I'm going to put a shim right there under the leading edge. And so hopefully that will help us not dive out. Better. Stalling a little though. Alright, so to correct for the mild stalling, I've slid the wing back a little bit more, and we're up to 1,300 turns now, so hopefully we'll get a little bit of a climb going that's, you know, worthwhile. Oh yeah, there we go. May still need the wing slid back a smidge. A little bit of turbulence there. Alright, so I twisted in even more propeller pitch, and I slid the wing back a smidge more, so hopefully this will get us what we're after. Also 1,700 turns, which is why it's zooming a bit. My shim needs adjusting because it's flying too fast, but it's up there. You can stop climbing anytime now. Well, at least we'll have a 2-minute flight on video at this rate. This is how phantom flashes are supposed to fly. Not zooming around, just gently cruising. All right, we got our 2 minutes, which is good because it's probably going to straighten out and fly into a wall about now. Plop. So that was 210. 210? 218. And that's 218 hitting, way up there. It had barely even descended any. So that's kind of what you go for. See how much more it'll do. Oh, it's still turning. You ornery thing. Not yet. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.